When it comes to slow cooking, nothing beats the convenience and versatility of a crock-pot. Whether you're preparing a hearty stew, a tender roast, or a flavorful dip for your next gathering, this Crock-Pot manual 7-quart slow cooker in turquoise offers everything you need to make your cooking experience easier, more enjoyable, and more colorful. With its spacious 7-quart capacity, adjustable heat settings, and sleek turquoise design, this manual slow cooker will quickly become your go-to kitchen appliance. Why the Crock-Pot 7-quart manual slow cooker is perfect for you. One of the standout features of the Crock-Pot 7-quart slow cooker is its spacious 7-quart capacity, making it ideal for large families or dinner parties. You can easily prepare meals for 8+ people, or fit a 6-pound roast inside. Whether you're cooking for a family dinner, hosting a holiday meal, or preparing a dish for a party, this slow cooker gives you the space you need to cook in large quantities without the hassle of multiple pots or pans. Unlike other slow cookers with complicated digital controls, the Crock-Pot manual 7-quart slow cooker keeps things simple with its intuitive manual settings. The dial is easy to use, allowing you to choose from high, low, or warm settings. Whether you're in a hurry and need to cook quickly on high, or prefer to let your meal simmer slowly throughout the day on low, this slow cooker gives you the flexibility to cook exactly how you want. High setting, perfect for getting a hot meal in a short amount of time. Low setting, ideal for slow cooking a meal while you're at work. Warm setting, keeps food at the perfect serving temperature for hours. One of the most convenient aspects of the Crock-Pot 7-quart slow cooker is its one-pot cooking design. You can prepare your entire meal in one place, reducing the number of dishes you need to clean. After cooking, the removable stoneware and glass lid are both dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to the hassle of washing multiple pots and pans after cooking. One-pot cooking. Save time and effort by preparing meals in a single pot. Dishwasher-safe stoneware and lid. Simplify cleanup and reduce post-meal stress. In addition to being functional, the Crock-Pot manual 7-quart slow cooker is a standout piece of kitchenware thanks to its vibrant turquoise color. As part of the Design to Shine collection, this slow cooker adds a touch of style to your kitchen, making it perfect for those who want a bit of personality in their cooking appliances. The stainless steel exterior ensures durability, while also giving your kitchen a modern, polished look. The Crock-Pot manual 7-quart slow cooker is designed with busy individuals and families in mind. Simply set it on low before heading out for work or running errands, and come home to a perfectly cooked, hot meal. The warm setting allows you to keep your food ready to serve without overcooking it, so you never have to worry about timing your meals perfectly. It's a great way to save time while still enjoying a homemade, nutritious dinner. Not only does the Crock-Pot manual 7-quart slow cooker offer excellent features, but it's also highly affordable compared to many other slow cookers on the market. It provides all the benefits of a high-end slow cooker, including a spacious capacity, reliable performance, and easy cleanup, all at an accessible price. If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable slow cooker, this one is a great choice. Affordable price, a budget-friendly option for busy families and home cooks. Excellent value. Get all the features you need without breaking the bank. Key features of the Crock-Pot 7-quart capacity. Ideal for large families, dinner parties, or meal prepping. Simple manual controls, high, low, and warm settings for versatile cooking. One-pot cooking, reduce the number of dishes to clean. Dishwasher-safe stoneware and lid, easy to clean after every use. Stylish turquoise color, adds personality to your kitchen decor. Affordable price, a cost-effective solution for delicious, slow-cooked meals. Why choose the Crock-Pot 7-quart manual slow cooker? If you're looking for a slow cooker that's easy to use, affordable, and perfect for larger meals, the Crock-Pot 7-quart manual slow cooker in turquoise is the ideal choice. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or just want to simplify your weekly meal prep, this slow cooker will help you achieve delicious, home-cooked meals with minimal effort. The spacious 7-quart capacity, simple manual controls, and easy-to-clean design make this slow cooker a must-have for anyone who wants to enjoy flavorful meals without the hassle of constant monitoring. Plus, the vibrant turquoise design adds a stylish touch to your kitchen that's sure to impress guests. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.